Want to see what comes with the SmartyCam 3 Corsa? Let's check it out. When we get the box open, we see a few stickers and a QR code that links us to the user manual online that you can find on the web browser. When we pop in, we get the SmartyCam 3 Corsa itself. The Corsas are really neat cameras. You can see the field of view in the front mount display, control buttons, latching door with a watertight seal, USB-C connector, full-size SD card. On the back, we have an ECU connection, an EXP connection that's for your AIM devices, and a port that we can plug the GPS in directly if we're running in standalone mode, or maybe it makes our wiring a little bit easier. In the bottom of the box, we get USB-C cable, 2-meter or 4-meter connection cable, also available in 0.5 meter to a full 4-meter length, USB charging cable, and a full-size SD card to run the camera.